Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna start with our unicorn horn, and we're gonna take some foil paper and squish it up and form it into the horn. And then you see I'm gonna press it on the table to give it a flat surface at the bottom so it can fit on your forehead nicely. Next we're gonna take some electric tape and wrap the horn. We are going to color our cotton balls, and I'm gonna leave them sit for a while and squeeze them out and let them dry. So I'm gonna color my latex and cover my horn. And apply glitter. I'm taking my brush and I'm smoothing it out, and then I'm going in with the blue in a Morphe 35B palette, and I'm patting it from the crease to below. And then we're going in with the bright pink out of the same palette, and I'm blending it out, and it's gonna give you like a purplish color mixed with the blue. And I'm taking my P.Louise to do a center crease. And you see I'm lining it up above the fold of my eyes. And we're gonna just drag down and blend out. And I'm taking the green from the crayon case, following with the yellow to give it a lime green that we're looking for. I'm going in with the same brush I used to blend the purple into the green and also the blue. So here I'm contouring, but I went in later with some pink in the contour areas. So I took this black gel liner and I put it in the area that I'm going to make the mouth. And I black it out and I apply glitter. Next, I'm gonna take my cottons and my latex. I'm going to apply a layer of latex and apply cotton. When you apply, you're going to stretch the cotton to make like strings to reach the bottom of the mouth, and just apply the cotton and the different colors to give it the rainbow effect. And you're gonna do this for the whole mouth, going across and on the bottom coming up. Also making sure that you smooth the ends. And set it with your powder. I took a gold pencil and I lined where I want the teardrops, and then I applied my glitter. Now to apply your unicorn horn. So I take some latex and I apply it to my forehead, obviously. Add some cotton and another layer of latex. This was a very interesting look to do. For more looks like this, go and check out my other videos.